Hi everyone, my name is Lex Abernethy. I live in the Greater Toronto area. I want to thank you for taking a few minutes out of your busy schedule to actually click on this video link. Over the next few minutes, I want to introduce you to an idea, a simple solution, a small business that you can start up. And I've done some research over this in the last year. This is what I believe to be the world's smartest, most logical, legal, super simple to understand and share online $20 business and savings club membership. Now, what you're going to have access to is hundreds, potentially even thousands of dollars in savings on things that you're already spending your money on. And if you're saving big time and you want to share it with other people, there's a business opportunity that's associated with it that you can capitalize on that, and you could make hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month on a residual basis, just building a network of people who like to save money and make money too. Now, I've put together a one-page summary of all of the benefits that you get. You need to have value. This company has a ton of value for your $20, and that's what keeps this legal. You have to have a ton of value. So I'm gonna go through real quick. 8 points here, starting with number one. Number one is you get a 7-day trial. It's going to cost you your $20 to set things up, get your business operational, get your website, have a look at all of the portals, all of the product and travel, all the different things. You can check out everything for 7 full days so that you can make a good, quality, educated decision whether or not, number one, there is true value here for your $20, plus number two, whether or not you believe you will actually do this as a business. And number three, whether you believe other people will join you and do it as a business as well. You get that 7 full days to figure that out. And then if it doesn't look like it's going to work for you, ask for your money back. No questions asked, no problem. Point number two, we're going to give you the world's greatest travel club portal. So you're going to save about $500 to $1,000, maybe $2,000, all depends on how often you do travel. You're going to access to that portal, which has 20 to 75% off tens of thousands of hotels and condo vacations. You need to go to that site to check out and look at all the different inventory that we have there. Point number three is you're going to get access to the Daily Savings Club portal. There you're going to be able to save between $2,000 and $5,000 for the average family over the course of a year. You're going to save on most everything you buy online. You get employee discount pricing, cash back on purchases. Hundreds of companies are participating with thousands of products. Again, you're going to need to go to that portal to see all of the different things that you can save money on. Point number four is you're actually going to get your own personalized marketing system, a website that's linked to you. You're going to need to have access to 3 days a week, Thursday, Sunday, and Tuesday. We have our experts, the board of advisors, the people who are making it big in other businesses and have succeeded at this business are doing presentations for you. You've just got to get good at inviting people to just take a look. So you get access to a full marketing system that tracks all of your business, and you get that included for your original $20. Now, point number five is you're going to get income tax savings. If you currently do not own a home-based business, then you're paying the government too much in tax. You need to start something, and this is the perfect business for only $20 that can be run globally, because currently we're in about 140 countries right now operating, and you can operate this business from your home, from using your cell phone. So you can have the ability to write off part of your mortgage interest or your rent, utilities, repairs, internet, home phone, computer, cell phone. Your car has expenses like gas, insurance, repairs, and maintenance. You actually could even write off some of your vacations. So when you go there, you can hold a meeting, you can find people, you can explain how you got there with a really amazing discount. Potentially, over time, you have saved enough money through building this business that your entire vacation was paid for, and you used your PayQuicker Visa debit card to cover all your expenses, because all your commissions can be transferred to that, and you did it for only $20 out of pocket, potentially. All those things can be written off. Take advantage of those tax benefits. Point number six is we have something that is very unique to our company. We've brought on another company that's an expert in lowering your bills. You would submit anywhere up to 24 different types of bills that are on the list there. Submit your bills, Give them to the experts. They will contact your suppliers or the people that you're dealing with already. You will not be switching anything, and they will see if they can get you a deal. See if we can get you something better than what you've currently got. If you get nothing saved, then you pay nothing. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. But if you do save money, they split the savings with you. Now, it also applies, this service can also apply to businesses. So if you already own a business, you can submit your business bills. We are saving businesses tens of thousands of dollars that they never knew they could save just simply by checking it out, having our expert negotiators go in on their behalf to see what they can save them. So that's another incredible opportunity to save money there. Coming soon on May 4th, and this is a big one, we're going to have a very unique health plan. We're going to be able to market to tens of millions of people who currently cannot afford health insurance or have been denied health insurance or don't have a green card visa. They don't have that. So you've been denied the ability to get a health plan of some kind. We are going to have something for you that's going to save you 20 to 40% off the competition's premiums. There's no deductible, $20 doctor visits, no pre-existing health conditions within reason. There's a bunch of different parameters that make us very good that could save you hundreds, potentially thousands of dollars on your medical expenses. So that's coming on May 4th. Look forward to that. Excuse me. Point number 8, and this deals with the business element, the element of building a network of people who want to save money and also want to make extra money as well. So we have a business plan that involves a 3x12 matrix, as you can see on this chart, that if you request it, we're going to send this to you. Excuse me, all this is summarized on this sheet. But the first thing you're going to do, the first objective, is to go out and find 2 people. That brings into account the 2x10 matrix. Just imagine you went out in the first 30 days and you found 2 people that want to save money. They have $20 to risk and they want to make some extra money too. You would make a fast start of 50% of the $20. So you would get paid $10 for the first person and $10 for the second person. That's $20. Guess what? Next month is paid for. The whole objective is to make enough money every month that no more out-of-pocket cost for this membership, that the membership actually funds it. So if you're able to find 2 in 30 days, do you believe that those 2 people could go out and find their own 2 people looking to save money, has $20 to risk on a business startup and wants to make extra money? If you could compound that down through 10 levels, because that's what you're allowed to do, go down 10 levels, that would give you a total matrix potential of over 2,000 people. That brings into the second commission. It's the residual commission. You would earn $1 on every $20 membership in your matrix. That's $2,000. $2,000 would take care of a lot of different expenses. It'd be very, very good. And that's only you finding 2, every new person finding 2. What if you could find 1 more person, meaning a total of 3 people? That's where our 3x10 matrix comes in right away. It's actually a 3x12, but right now, because you've only found 3 people, you'd only be entitled down to the 10th level. The power of compounding is illustrated here. If you had 3 people coming in and those 3 people found their own 3 people with $20, wanted to save money, wanted to make money, you could have a potential matrix of over 88,000 people. It's amazing how compounding works. You had a 2x10 matrix and it worked out to over 2,000 people. Add 1 more into the mix with each person and now it becomes an 88,000 potential matrix for you. 88,000 people times $1 is $88,000 per month. It's over $1 million a year. And all you've done is helped 3 people who went out and found 3 people with a $20 bill who wanted to save money, hundreds, potentially thousands of dollars, and wanted to make extra money. It's so simple. Now you compound that down. It's just, it can almost scare you. It can almost turn you right off, the whole concept. But their focus is only on finding the 3 people. But should you find more, you're allowed to. It doesn't stop there. If you could find 3, you could find 2 more. If you could find a total of 5 people who want to save money and want to make money and have $20 to play with, it would open up your 11th level on the 3x12 matrix. That now gives you a potential of 265,000 people that you could earn $1 every single month. $250,000 every month. That's crazy. It doesn't stop there. If you could find 5, could you find another 5 over the next 1, 2, 3 years? Doesn't matter how long it takes you, just accomplish it. 10 people opens up your 12th level of your matrix. That now gives you a potential matrix to get paid on of $797,000. The very thing that people don't like about network marketing or multi-level marketing is absolutely the blessing that you should all be happy about. You only ever thought you could bring 3, 5, 10 people, but you could have a potential matrix of 797,000 because everybody did their little bit with a minimum of 3. It's unbelievable, folks. Now, in order to do this, you really have to have a why. Actually, didn't even mention, that's just 2 incomes. There's 6 ways to get paid. There's power code bonuses, there's matching bonuses, there's incredible amounts of income to be made just by sharing this savings plan with people. Now, like I started to mention, you need to have a why. You need to have something, a burning desire for something you don't have, but you want very, very badly. Now, a lot of people during these COVID times have a ton of debt. They've lost their job or their hours have been reduced. Businesses have been shut down. Everybody, most people, millions and millions of people need to make extra money to help pay down their debt. So, especially students, there are over 46 million university students and graduates in North America alone that have an average of $30,000 worth of debt. Wouldn't they like to know that there is a simple $20 solution that could save them money and potentially make them money just by helping 2 or 3 or 5 or 10 other students save money and help with the ultimate goal of paying down their student debt and living like they're debt-free, potentially be completely debt-free so that when they graduate, all they can do is focus on getting a job, but they've already got a steady income coming in from this? Debt is a killer. This is the cure for debt. What about daycare? Maybe you can't afford daycare because of this COVID pandemic, but daycare could be a reason to do this. Open up a daycare fund with this $20 solution. Rent or mortgage. What if you were actually living like you were rent-free or mortgage-free because you had an extra couple of $1,000s coming in covering your rent and mortgage? How would you feel about that? Healthcare, health insurance is so darn expensive, especially in the United States. This $20 solution could make you the extra money you need that covers all of your medical expenses. It could happen. You just build a team of other people with the same need. What about a car? Maybe you'd like to get a first car, second car, maybe a luxury car. Travel. You could travel the world, your entire travel expense. This could be your travel fund, and you've started with $20, you've built this up over a year, 2 years, and now this PayQuicker Visa debit card covers all of your travel expenses going first class, potentially 5 diamond resorts all over the world. And it all started with a $20 investment in this business, goal to save money and make money. What about education funds for all of your kids? Will your kids graduate debt-free? This could be an education fund. This could be the way to help your kids get set up for life. You can actually put your kids in this business because there is no age limit restrictions on this. You could place them and build the business around them. So by the time they graduate 5, 10, 15 years down the road, then they have the money, it's been covered, they're living like they're debt-free. Now they can focus on getting a job. You set them up for life, and by default, you've actually set yourself up for retirement. Maybe you can't afford to retire right now. You don't have kids, they're all gone. An extra couple of $1,000, this could be your retirement top-up fund. So people, this is what I call the perfect solution. It's the solution to also generate the funds for any other business venture you may be looking at but can't afford to do right now. But this could be the ticket that gets you the funds you need to start up that other business. So what I want you to do is make a decision. You need to look at this. You need to get the information, make a good, qualified, educated decision whether or not there's true value here, whether you believe you'll do this, and whether other people will join you and help build this business. I want you to ask for this one pager. We actually have another one that has an entry point at $100. It just means you have more ways to save money, and you actually get 3 other income producing opportunities that you can treat like a traditional business. Go do all the work yourself. You get those under the $100 banner. I'm not going to go into those, but we can send you that information as well. It just means you need to do your due diligence on this. So again, my name is Lex Abernethy. Underneath in the description, you'll see my website, my personalized website, ultimatesavingsclub.com. You can go there, you can check out our website, you can register there. If somebody else has referred you to this video, get back to them. We're all working together to create exposure for this opportunity, to build awareness together. Again, Lex Abernethy here. I hope that you take and make the decision to do this. This COVID pandemic has shut us in. We need to have hope. This is the ticket. This is the thing that can give you hope. Do your due diligence and get back to us as soon as you can. And we hope to meet you someplace in the near future. Take care. Bye for now.